Yep, so see? Look at that. That's our first part of the wall out. I'd be up to see a spider in here. Just kidding. It's winter, or the end of winter. Well, I'm renovating. Look at that. Look at all that. Cooking off. It's just crazy we're actually doing it. Well, I do that there on the bouncy house out there, but yeah. Can't believe we're finally doing this. Well, we've only lived here like 6 months, but we've done a lot of renovating like I was saying, but this right here is my little buddy. Every time I'm doing a home project. You doing good, Holden?
Yeah,
Let me see.
Okay.
Job, baby. That's the wall I'm most nervous about, to see what's under it.
Okay.
But it looks fine from the little hole I did right there. Alright, hold on. Oh yeah. It's gonna be a walk-in closet. Oh. Super excited. Gonna make this rectangle room not rectangle. It'll be interesting. Look at how much is on the trailer already. The kiddos have been helping. They've done like most of it. I think I did a lot of it too, but they're killing it.
Yeah.